Extraneous solution. A false solution to certain types of equations. Extraneous solutions are discarded in solving such equations. Extraneous solution example. Given the equation the square root of the quantity x plus 1 equals x minus 5, to solve for x, square both sides of the equation. We get x plus 1 is equal to x squared minus 10x plus 25. Putting all x terms on one side of the equation, we get x squared minus 11x plus 24 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, which factors into the product of the linear binomials x minus 3 and x minus 8. Setting each of those linear factors equal to 0, we get solutions x equals 3 or x equals 8. Now we go back to the original equation and plug in these values for x. In the first case, we get the square root of the quantity 3 plus 1 equals to 3 minus 5. Notice that the question mark over the equal sign is to indicate that we're testing to see if these two things are equal. Simplifying, we get the square root of 4 on one side and negative 2 on the other side, and those two are not equal to each other. The square root of 4, which is equal to 2, does not equal negative 2. So the solution x equals 3 is not a solution to the original equation, and therefore is called an extraneous solution. Next, we plug in x equals 8 into the original equation, and we get the square root of the quantity 8 plus 1 equals 8 minus 5. And once again, notice the question mark above the equal sign. On the left side, we get the square root of 9, and on the right side, we get 3. And those two terms are equal to each other. The square root of 9 does equal 3. Therefore, x equals 8 is a solution to the original equation, but x equals 3 is not.